Hey everyone, welcome to our 1961 Aston Martin restoration video where we turn parts from this into this. If you like seeing decades of corrosion and abuse taken away with a multitude of different surface finishing technologies, this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned.
Hello everyone, my name's Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back with our 1961 Aston Martin Restoration Series, and we're gonna be taking a look at this part here today. We're gonna be doing it in the mixture. Now, the prime reason we're doing it in this cabinet is because the customer, he doesn't want a super shiny finish like a straight glass bead is gonna give you, which is why we're doing that 4-to-1 mix of the glass bead and aluminum oxide. It will dull that finish down just a smidge to where it's not super high shine. Now, as you can see on this piece, we have a lot of different areas of a little bit of buildup. There's some old sealing stuff here at the top. There's threaded areas, there's letters, numbers. We're gonna show you how this mix is gonna work while maintaining the integrity of the parts. So we are back with our second half of the video. Now, as you can see, this is what our finished product looks like. This is essentially the great thing about vapor honing. It's gonna restore these parts back to a like new finish without ruining the integrity of the parts. So as you can see down here, these letters and numbers, they're still there. It didn't remove any of that metal. You also have just the surface finish in general. It's not too shiny, but also it's not dull. It's kind of right in that fine line in the middle, which is what the customer wants. You can see all this buildup through here. All of this sealing stuff on the top, it was removed. These threaded areas, still very clean, very much intact, not ruined at all. So if you guys have any questions, we're always available. Call us here at 828-202-5563. Stay tuned. Next Saturday, we're gonna have another part to this. And as always, if you have any sample pieces or any parts you want tested to see what works for you, what process, what abrasives, what pressures, please send them into us. We're happy to test those parts out. Again, our number here is 828-202-5563.